In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect HubSpot to Zapier. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Zapier, and of course, you want to sign into your account or create one if you don't have one yet. And from here, go and create, top left, or of course, you could go into any of your existing workflows. And of course, you have your workflow over here. Now, you want to go and of course, connect your HubSpot via a specific trigger or action. So I'm actually going to go and select trigger over here. You can do whatever you want, and you want to search for HubSpot. So it should be over here at the top somewhere. There we go. You want to just click on it, and when you do so, it's going to allow you to connect it. So here you have the setup. You can see the app. You can select your trigger event. So I'm actually going to do, for example, company recently created or updated, and here under account, you want to connect HubSpot. Just click on it. It's going to give you a pop-up. Click on connect. You may have to sign into your account if you're not signed in just yet, and then there we go. I'm actually going to have to select it, choose the account, then you have to grant all the permissions which pop up over here. So these are required over here. You can change them if you want to, and then hit the connect app button. After you agree, make sure you actually do understand and review terms and privacy policy, and then hit connect app. Now with this connect app button, what you've done is actually connected your account, and as you can see, it's connected over here, and I can now go and continue and keep on configuring and testing these apps over here. I can test the trigger, and it's actually going to work. If I added the company, it would work. But that's essentially how to connect HubSpot. Super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.